Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be doing an eyeshadow look using the Hipdot X Peeps eyeshadow palette. I thought this would just be really fun to do for an Eastery type video, so that's what we're going to do today. It's just going to be simple and chill and do an eyeshadow look with this palette. It's actually really freaking cute, and I couldn't resist it because I love Peeps. I know a lot of people don't like them, but I do, and this is the palette here. Super cute. I love the little peeps all on the front. We have a bunny mirror, which is so cute. And then all of these gorgeous shades here, which this blue made me want to buy it, and this yellow. So I think this would be a keepy kind of palette because this blue would be great for the lower lash line, like all the time, especially for summer. And I love the way this yellow looks. So we're gonna do a cute little look with this palette today, just to start off, you know, with all the other videos I have to film today. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all of these on my arm so I can just see what the color looks like, so I can create some sort of look, because, you know, I don't really know what kind of cohesive look I could do unless I do like these two and then like a shimmer shade or, you know, whatever. So I'm just gonna swatch these and see what I have going on. Okay, so here is the shades on the back of my arm. I have to say I really like the blue, and I like the richness in this shade, and I love this color too for like an all over the lid shade for sure. And I'm not really into this pink one so much, but I do like the yellow, and I do have a dupe for this. Not really a dupe, but I know this looks very similar to the one in the Jaclyn Hill palette, but this blue is perfect, and it reminds me of my favorite blue in the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, which I did get rid of, and I love that blue in it, and this looks exactly like that. So I'm actually really happy with this because this was $16. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what I'm gonna do, and we're just gonna start playing because, like I said, this is just gonna be a chill video that I really wasn't completely like planning to do, but I thought it would just be cute just to do it. So I'm gonna put on my Zoeva eyeshadow primer and get to playing. Do you guys have any Easter plans? What are you doing? Let me know all of that down below, and let's just chill. Let's talk about whatever in the comments, you know. I know these are like my most popular videos where I'm just sitting here playing around with an eyeshadow palette, but for those who want to watch, hello and welcome, and let's get started. I'm gonna start out by taking this shade here and applying it all over to my lid with this really cheap, disgusting brush that I got from BoxyCharm. But I think just for placing a shade down, it will be fine. Yeah, this brush is garbage. So if anybody was wondering, yeah, these brushes are not that great. And I can tell that just by the first few swipes. But if you're somebody new to makeup, like a child or whatever, like somebody just playing around, I think this would be okay. But I don't ever recommend really crappy brushes for people who are just starting out in makeup, because then it'll deter you from wanting to keep playing, because that's how it was for me. I didn't get into eyeshadow until 2019 because I just wasn't having the best time with it, and it's because I just wasn't using the best brushes, the best eyeshadow palettes. I was using a lot more drugstore, and I'm not saying drugstore is bad. They have definitely come a long way since when I used to play. Yeah, I think you should definitely go with good quality products when you're learning, so you know that, you know, you're actually gonna enjoy what you're doing, rather than cheap products and not really like the outcome and the full potential of the creativity that you can actually achieve. Now I want to take this shade here and apply it to my outer corner. This shade is really beautiful. It's kind of orangey but also brown at the same time, but like also not, if that makes a lick of sense. But I think this will pair really well with this yellow that I would like to apply all over my lid, and then put the blue underneath. I think that will work. And you know what? These are like blending together really well, so that makes me really happy. I also really love how pigmented these shades are. This is actually a really cute little fun cheap palette, but with like nice quality shades, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and add the blue shade here, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. It's very pigmented. I love this. Well, that was easy. So now I'm gonna take this yellow shade here, and I'm just gonna apply with my finger to my lid. Yeah. Oh, this yellow is so pretty. I love this so much. Like, it looks so foiled on the eye. I will zoom you guys in a quick moment. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this orangey brown shade and just kind of run it over the yellow on the outer corner. So this is what we got going right now. I'm going to put some liner and lashes on. I really like this. It's really, really cute. So I can't wait to see the final look. Okay, so here's the completed look. Let me zoom you in. This palette is actually really, really cute. I don't know if you can still buy this. I bought this like a month ago and I'm just now playing with it, but it's actually a solid little palette. Like this little look is so cute, and it's gonna be really complimentary too with like other, you know, looks where you're gonna do a pop of blue or a pop of pink, or this yellow here is so pretty. I don't know, I haven't used these two, but I'm not really so much into this pink shade from the swatch, but yeah, I can't wait to play with this even more. It's so cute. And yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions on this palette down below. Do you like it? I just thought it was cute for like, you know, a little Eastery little look and whatnot. Yeah, that's the video. Just super short, simple, and chill. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!